How we doing, guys? I'm back at it again. I'm on another fishing adventure, and you'll never guess where I'm at. I am at the very end of the lower river. There's Lake Ontario, right there. I'm like right near the lake, lower river. And what our mission is going to be is work these banks with the trees, and then over here, I'm probably going to go over there first. It's a little breezy, and it's a little cloudy right now too, but it's supposed to clear up. The sun's going to come out and the clouds are going to break, hopefully, and it's only a little breeze. It gets a little rough sometimes when some boats are coming through. I get some big waves, but it shouldn't be too bad. Last time I was here, I got like 5 or 6 Smallies, and they were good sized, and they were all over here onto the left. And I went over here because it looks so beautiful over there, but I only caught one over there. But we'll try it and we'll work it. All right, guys, let's do it. I'll meet you guys on the water, and wish me luck. I'm on the water, guys. And the sun's starting to break already. Got some big waves from some boaters. Got a couple fishing boats out here. It's going to be nice out here in a little while. Man, I love being on the water so much. Alright, guys, I'm going to get to it. I'm going to put the head mount on. See if we can get some more Smallies. I'll see you guys in a little bit. Whew, alright. Got the head mount on. Oh, guys, look. My son got me this for my birthday. A new net. So those bigger ones aren't getting away from me this time. And right now, I'm trying this little crankbait. Let's see what we can get. I went over to the right first, this other area. This little bank here. And then we'll check the other side after this. I wonder if I should be using a spinner. Oh, you know what? I just noticed that over there where I wanted to go fishing, there's a bunch of little sailboats. So that wouldn't work either right now, I guess. I don't think I'd be able to get over there with all them sailboats. Huh. That's a seaweed. And I forgot my worms. I figured I'd bring worms just in case, you know, last resort. You know, if I wasn't getting nothing on the lures. But guess what? That's the one thing I forgot. The worms. Seaweed. A lot of seaweed over here. Wonder if I should be throwing my minnow. I think I might for a little bit. I love that little minnow. I'm gonna try throwing that on. That big old boulder right there. There might be something hiding over there, I bet. Darn seaweed. Alright guys, I'm back. I didn't catch anything yet, but I'm on the other side now where I did catch more fish before, so hopefully we'll have some better luck over here. You know? Remember, I think I caught a big one by that block over there. There's a big block over here, like an old dock thing or something. I know there's some big smallies hanging around somewhere. Just gotta find them. Oh, look at that cute little bird there. What is that? Birdie. I hope we get some better luck soon, because I worked that whole other side over there pretty good and nothing yet. So I switched up my lure. Forgot to tell you guys. I broke down and went and bought a couple more of these, but this is like a red, silver, and black with a red and white or a red and bluish sparkly tail. We have some better luck here. Where are they hiding at, guys? We gotta find them. This is the better side. Look at that, it loops all the way around. Just gotta be careful with some of these big waves sneaking up on you. Oh, look at that big eagle or hawk. Oh my God, look how beautiful that is. He's huge. He's probably out here fishing too, ain't he? Man, beautiful looking bird. Or that, could that be a turkey vulture? No. Oh man, there's another one. They're hanging out together. Look at that. Oh, those aren't no turkey vultures. Those are hawks. I think they're hawks. I can't believe those other birds are hanging around with hawks around. Oh, maybe they are those birds. Those aren't hawks. Those are those, can't remember what they're called. They dive down in the water and catch fish. Can't remember the name of them. It's a weird name. They almost look like eagles to me. I don't know, unless it is. I can't really tell. Because they're not flying like those other birds. I don't know. Where's all the Smallies? Where's all the Smallies at? I think I got something, guys. Oh my god, I got one, guys. Nice. Did he get off? No, he's on. He's on. Oh, he got me down in the grass, I think, now. He's a good little fighter. He come flying out of the water. We finally got one, guys. Finally got him. He's a little fighter, too. Oh, man. He's fighting. Where is he? I can see him. He's a little fighter. I think it's a little Smallie. We got to break in the new net for good luck, because my son bought that for me for my birthday, so let's net him up. We can get him up here. We got him. We got him, guys. Got him. See him here. Oh, he's got a little sore on him. That's not good. Oh, you little weasel. We got a little one so far, our first fish, guys. A little fighter too. Oh, you little weasel. Get off of there. There we go. Oh, that's a nice little Smallie. Oh my god, he just, oh my goodness, he's so strong, he ripped me right off my, and took off, guys. I was gonna show him to you, but he took off on me, man. What a little beast. What a little beast he was. He's like, no, I don't want no picture, I'm out of here. And took off. Man, spunky one. That was a nice Smallie, guys. Looked good, but he had some sore on his, like on his side of his jaw. Uh-oh, we're tied up pretty good in the net, though. That's what I don't like about nets. The hook's getting all wrapped up in here. There. Got it. And now my other hook. Now this hook again. Oh, come on, guys. Ah! And those sharp, this is a brand new lure. Those hooks are sharp. He nailed that thing. Man, I actually didn't even feel him on right now. I thought it was seaweed at first, the way you hit it. All right, our first fish. First time using the net. And clean it out a little bit. Nice. All right, well, we didn't get skunked. We got one so far. Let's get some more. Or some bigger ones. Oh, there's a little one. He come flying out of the water and threw my hook. It was just a little guy. I switched to this spinner right here and got a little one. He was a little midget. Ooh, what was that? Something just came up. It almost looked like a salmon. It came up right there and then went back down. I don't know, guys, that's the only one I got. I switched my hook to this little spinner. I worked this whole bank, nothing, until I got to here. And I switched to a little Vibrex, silver Vibrex spinner. And I caught that little one. As soon as the first cast I put it on, I got that little one. Alright, well, I just wanted to stop in real quick and tell you guys here, see them, there's some more sailboats coming in back. I wanted to tell you about the little sailboats. And I figured out those were turkey vultures. Uh-oh. The geese are over here, some geese too. Oh. See, there's another one coming right here. He's gonna fly right, oh my goodness, he's gonna fly right over me. Yeah, it's a turkey vulture. Oh, here comes some pirates. Are they getting towed back or are they using motors? Oh no, I think they're using little motors. Oh no, the one was getting towed, but oh no, they're getting towed. I can see the rope now. I can see a rope. See the rope? Yeah, I can see a little rope. Yep. They're getting towed. All of them are getting towed. Pretty cool. Pirates. Future pirates. Alright guys, well I'll hit back with you in a little bit when I get back on there and start casting again. I'll see you guys in a little while. Hi guys, I'm back. I took a break on this little platform here. It's right near where I gotta, you know, where the docks are, where I'm parked. I didn't get any more fish. I only got them 2 little ones, so I chill on this little dock for a little while. There's the kayak tied up. Yeah, the sun's nice. And I'm just chilling here on this little dock here. Casting right off the dock here, you know. I don't know what to do, so I was just chilling here, you know, and plus there was a bunch of younger kids over there, so I was like, good chance to chill here and suck a little sun up and relax, take a couple casts. Make sure I remember where I am here. If you see, get an idea where I am before. Remember where the ship was over there? I don't know if you guys can see it from here, but there's the docks. We got a troller over here. This little guy in this little boat over here has been going up and down trolling with his fishing rod. And then I think the couple over here in the Sea-Doo, where she's learning how to drive the Sea-Doo, having fun, soaking their feet in the water and stuff over there. Oh, it's so nice out. Yeah, so I'm just sucking it up, guys, chilling. I'm a little down because we only got 2 little ones, but what are you gonna do? It happens, right? What are you gonna do? Looks like there's a little trail you can get down here too, from up there. Really nice over here, guys. Beautiful. All right, guys. Well, I think I'm just gonna sit here for a little bit and suck it up a little bit and chill, and then pack it up, and I'll catch up with you guys later. Thanks for watching. Where I'm at, guys. Fort Niagara State Park. I packed everything up and came over to the other side here and check out the lake. It's a beautiful lake. And up there they got a pool, and people are like barbecuing and stuff. They got the grill and that. You come here and have a cookout. And right now they weren't paying to get in. That's why I was shocked. I don't know why, but it's really nice up here. It's like a little beach. And you can actually hike, you know, there's places you can hike all along here and stuff, and over here up along the water. I remember one time I hiked all the way up to the fort, way up there. All along there. I went around the fort over there on the wall. See it over there? I climbed up on there and walked around, hiking around a little bit. It's so nice. And if I look really close, I can barely see the city of Toronto over there. Toronto, Canada. I think it's like way out there. I can see a little bit way out there. So nice. So nice, guys. Yeah, so I figured I'd come over here and close it out. You know, I only end up getting those 2 little Smallies. But I'm telling you, I was out there for over 6 hours, and it felt like I was only out there for 2.5. Time flies. It was still beautiful and had a great time though, you know. I got 2 fish. A little discouraged about that, but you know, what are you gonna do? It's still beautiful out here. I enjoyed myself, had a good time. You know, gorgeous. A lot of times sitting down here just listening to the waves crashing is like memorizing, you know, you zone out. Beautiful. Alright guys, so I'm going to close this out here. If you haven't already, please subscribe, like and share, and thank you so much for watching guys. I'll see you on the next one. Bye.